Hey there guys, it's your girl Juju back at it again with some budget-friendly tips to help you turn your humble abode into a swanky palace. Buckle up because we're about to make your home look like $1,000,000 without emptying your wallet. So first off, and I would say most importantly, are the curtains. We've got these bad boys, track curtains. They're like the magic wand of window coverings, like immediately adding class and sophistication to any room. What's great about these is they're so affordable and you can get them literally anywhere nowadays. My top two recommendations are Amazon and Ikea. You stick them right onto the ceiling and it draws your eye up, creating a long, elevated, elegant look in your room. I would say this is probably one of the most important, but it's also super affordable. Next on the list is lighting, specifically under cabinet lighting. This literally makes your home look like a glossy magazine ad. And you can get this effect using two things, puck lights or LED lights. They are so affordable. You just put them right underneath your cabinet and it creates a very nice, warm, sophisticated ambiance in your home. It also gives you a really cute kitchen selfie. Next is the power of paint. A fresh coat in a neutral shade can transform your room faster than you can say Property Brothers. You also don't have to go neutral. Yes, neutral can make your home look more elevated, but also if you follow the current trend of color drenching, that can also make your home look a lot more sophisticated. Any bold color that's nicely applied can really elevate your home. There are certain more bold, rich colors that look a little bit more expensive than others. So going with a classic neutral or even a bold, solid color can really elevate the look of your room. When thinking about your home, you want to think of the five senses. When you walk in, what do you see, smell, maybe not taste, but we can save that for, if you're tasting something when you walk in the room, that's not a good sign. What do you see, hear, smell, taste? Those are big key things to creating a great feeling in your home. But for this one, I'm gonna focus on smell. What are you smelling? What you smell when you walk in can really make you feel a certain way about your home. Who doesn't like a good scented candle, a diffuser, or even a plug-in? These things will make your home feel so fancy just from smelling nice. You can have a trashed home, but if you walk in and it smells like fresh laundry, you are gonna feel good walking into the space. Doing this to your home gives your home a VIP pass to the spa without the hefty price tag. Now this one is actually a big deal. Think about the light covers in your home. Now light covers may seem like a small detail, but trust me, swapping them out for something sleek and stylish really ups your home decor game. Just look at the detail in this example. It's giving Daddy Warbucks. Now let's talk about holders for things like your soaps and your shampoos. Not only does it keep your home tidy, but it really gives off major I have my life together vibes. Next, I don't want to see any of you guys' TVs sitting on the TV console. You have to mount your TVs if you want a more elevated look in your home. This is like giving your TV a facelift. Get it off of the furniture and onto the wall. That takes you from college dorm to sleek bachelor, easy peasy. And a TV mount is super affordable. It's a very small touch, but it has a huge impact on your space. My next recommendation would be to get some moss. You can find moss anywhere at the Goodwill, thrift stores, dollar store. It's really cheap, but it's in all the bougie homes. You just add a little moss to your decor and it really brings it to life. It's nice to have freshness and plant life in your home. And hey, it's not original, everyone's doing it, but it will make your home look fancy. Now, cord covers may not be the sexiest thing on our list, but hey, who wants to see a bunch of tangled cords everywhere? Get a cord cover for all the messy wires and cords in your house. It's just gonna make everything look together and more streamlined. Also, who says that you need a fancy sofa to be the star of this show? Grab some really nice pillows, accent pillows, and maybe a wool blanket to throw on top of it. And you've kind of disguised any ugly couch that you might have and elevated the look of it. Okay, next I want to talk about the iconic floor-to-ceiling Ikea mirror. This Ikea mirror has been with Ikea for years because it is just that famous. It's literally having its own paparazzi moment. This mirror, it used to be $100. I'll make sure to put the price in, but it completely elevates the look of your space. And a mirror like this usually goes for hundreds of dollars. You can get it at Ikea for a fraction of the price. Next, I highly recommend wall molding. If you want to upgrade the look of your space, it's so easy to apply some wall molding. Literally getting picture frame molding on your walls literally takes you from 0 to 100 in a second, and it's very, very affordable. Okay, so next I want to talk about your kitchen and your cabinets. Actually, cabinetry in your entire home for that matter. You actually don't need to go out and splurge on a bunch of new cabinetry or even have to hassle with painting them. Yes, that is a cheap way to upgrade them, but you can actually go as simple as just changing out the hardware. Changing your hardware is super, super affordable. You can even go to stores like Habitat for Humanity and get discounted pre-used hardware for a fraction of the cost that you would find in store. Changing out the hardware really makes your cabinets pop, and it takes it from a level 1 to a 10 with ease. So this is one of the key things that I would suggest you can do that are super affordable, but will also make your house look very luxurious. Okay, so you wouldn't believe this, but dollar store dishware is where it's at. Okay, guys, like I have gotten so much of my dishware from the dollar store. Wow. Guys, look at these little coffee mugs. So cute. Why on earth would you spend all this money on dishware from these high-end stores like West Elm when you can literally get the same dishes for $1? I highly, highly recommend going to your local dollar store or even your local thrift store and looking at some dishware. You can get amazing dishware for super, super discounted. There's no reason to spend a bunch of money on something like that. It's a very affordable way that you can make your home look luxurious. I don't know about you, but when I go into a home and I see a diffuser, I just really automatically think that the person has their life together. I remember a guy that I was dating and I went into his home and he had this little wooden diffuser and I just thought it was the fanciest thing and that he was like a grown man. He had his stuff together. I know it's stupid, but it really does make it look, okay, here's the thing. It makes it look intentional. Any kind of specific choices that you make about your home really make it look elevated because it does look intentional. It does make it look like you put the extra effort into making your space you and unique and together. So something like a diffuser not only makes you feel good when you walk into the room, but it just gives that hint of this is someone who cares about their space and is going the extra mile to put more intention into their space. Next are trays. Trays are the unsung hero of home decor. They corral all of your clutter and it's going to, again, make it look super neat and organized and elevated. Color drenching is all the rage right now and for good reason. It adds drama and personality to your room and it really gives it an elevated high-class look. Life is too short for beige walls, honey. Next is layers. Layers are so important. Layering with rugs, layering with your shelving, all of those really show intentionality. It looks like you had your home styled by an expert, which makes it look more expensive. And lastly, don't forget about those extras like nightstands, side tables, and entryway tables. Those little added touches really elevate the home. These are all the cherry on top of your home decor Sunday. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you next weekend. Bye.